I'm ready to get out of the cold and grab a bite to eat. It's time to check in with my friend and chef, Frank McClelland. He's invited us to his home to share with us an easy and delicious Cape Cod recipe. All right, well, smells couldn't keep me away, Frank. Hi, I had to come inside.
Good to see you.
Thanks for having me here at your home. It's absolutely beautiful. And I came in to check out what you're doing.
I'm in the midst of creating a masterpiece for you.
Well, you know what, I have to tell you, I was really excited to hear that you wanted to do this and you invited us out here and to really show us what New England style cuisine is. A little twist on it. It's going to be fun to see.
That's it.
So what are we doing?
So it's oysters on the half shell with some of our pickled Serrano peppers and some cranberries.
All the best
Yes.
of the New England states.
Yes.
You're bringing it home.
Yeah,
Are we going to get to
absolutely.
taste this?
You bet.
All right. You keep doing this. I'm going to run out and look a little bit more at your farm because it's fantastic.
Enjoy. For this oyster dish just for you, I've stewed some cranberries here and I've taken the juice and made a pickle. And what I'm going to do with this pickle is I'm going to take some of the farm herbs, place it in the pickle, a little bit of onion, and take my Serrano peppers and put it in here and put it on the heat and cook it for 25 minutes. Take these onions, put it right in the pickle. Got some nice mint, some sage, a little lemon verbena, and some beautiful flowering thyme. I'm just gonna bruise it up a little bit, bring out all the oils, and I'm gonna place that in the pickling juice. And then I'm gonna pick out all the Serrano peppers. I'm gonna place it right in the pickling juice. So look at that beautiful color, ready to be pickled. And they'll sit here and cook for about 25 minutes. And here is some that I pickled earlier today. The next step in our fabulous oyster dish is this gorgeous Swiss chard that I'm going to stew to make a nest for the oysters to sit on. So it's called rainbow Swiss chard. So I'm just going to take the ribs out like so. Look at that gorgeous color. And then I have my onion here ready to go, and that'll be the base for the stew with a little bit of olive oil and the beer. Pan's all heated up, ready to sizzle. And we'll take the onion, put that in first. And then we'll take our Swiss chard and just place it right in the top. Add a little bit of sea salt over the top, a little dried rosemary from my garden. How are our Serrano peppers doing? Oh, they look great. And then a little of the beer, and a little of the rosemary and pepper. So we'll let this cook for another 6-7 minutes, and then we'll put the dish together. Well, I've got these beautiful oysters here. That are from the Massachusetts coastline, just south of here. So I shuck these a little differently. I go in on the side so that I do not injure the belly, which is very important for us in New England. So now that I have all the pieces for this dish, let's put together the piquant relish that will go onto the oysters. Here's some very slowly poached in their own juices cranberries. And then we'll take some of the Serrano peppers and bring it over to the cutting board. And then we'll cut the stems off. We'll just cut them up. Then I'll take the oysters that we shucked earlier, and we'll just put a little dab. And then we'll take a little bit of the beer and just sprinkle it right on, almost like you would sprinkle champagne on oysters maybe, but I like my beer on my oysters. We have this part done, and we'll take our platter here. They're beautiful oysters, and then our Swiss chard, and we'll make little nests. Just put these right on top of the nests. Just give me a moment to plate the rest up, and then let's go outside and try some. Did you have fun on the farm?
Oh my gosh, I had a great time.
My little oyster on the half shell with all the things from New England, mainly from Massachusetts and the farm here.
This is inspiring. I'm going to have to do this at home. We will have the recipe on the website at bringingithome.com. And I think you've just kind of gone up a notch again with having this in your backyard.
Thank you. We're very inspired. All my colleagues and I are inspired about what we can pick every day and bring and cook.
Thank you again for inviting us, showing everything that is, indigenous to Boston, what makes it great. Of course, all of you have been lovely, and this is wonderful as well. But let's enjoy an oyster.
Oh,
you ready?
Please, yes.
All right, let's do it. Bon appetit. Perfect.
And this is the only way to eat them.
Okay, well, when in Rome or in Boston. Massachusetts, here we go.